Care of the nose. Avoid pushing objects into the nose. Avoid picking or poking the nose with fingernails or any object. Blow the nose gently and avoid the habit of sniffing. Avoid plucking the hair in the nose. When it is necessary, the nose should be cleaned with clean handkerchief or a clean piece of soft tissue paper. See a doctor for the treatment of any nose infection. Result of lack of care of the nose: nose bleeding, nasal infection, breathing difficulties. When any foreign object such as a seed, insect, etc. enters one nostril, close the unaffected one with the finger and blow the affected one. If the object fails to come out, see a doctor. If both nostrils are blocked, breathe through the mouth and see a doctor immediately. Do not attempt to remove any foreign object by poking at it with an instrument.